And somebody on the comment said they want the ASMR.
Ew. You said that. I would say
Guess
that.
who was that? Who asked for ASMR? Do you know? Mudli ke.
We're very long process.
I'm gonna post
Somebody
this.
already started eating.
So she wants without the spices, but I like spices. Let's try.
Uh-huh.
Is it good? Is the thing when you fill up two up and then the only spices and garlic sauce or tahini stays on the top. The rice goes dry. So that's why. Yeah, I want all the spices.
Oh.
So it's too small for $21.90. $21.90. And if you take one small chicken on the raw, it's like how much? 11 something,
Yeah,
right?
I think
Yeah. So go try it. It's really good. Especially, yeah, as I said, when you are hungry, like the food, and you are not hungry. Right? You agree with me?
yeah.
First time.
Why, since when were you a food critic?
I was food critic. If you go on my Instagram, I've been baking, I've been cooking, and then all see my videos from the beginning. I was making all by myself. Go check it out, my Instagram account. You guys, if she's not you. Bye bye, have fun.
Have fun. Who's having fun?